Hi dear learner, in this video we will discuss variables scope in Python. There are three types of variables with the view of scope. First is local variable, second is global variable, and third is non-local variable. Now we will discuss local variable through an example. In this program, I define a function and main program I initialize s equal to I love world. After that I call a function. The execution will return to the function, and in function body there is another variable s. S inside a function has a local scope, and S in main program has global scope. So inside the function S will not affect the value of outside S. Look the output here. First I love India. It is the output of function calling. When we call the function, execution will go to the function body, and in function s equal to I love India, when we print s, the output will be I love India. After that, in the main program I print s. This s is outside the function, so the s value is I love world. So here the print is I love world. Now we can check on Python prompt here. Now I will run it. Now you can look here easily. I love India, I love world. I love India s inside the function value, and I love world s outside the function. Now we will talk about global variable. In this program, outside the function s initialize I love world, and inside the function I love India. If you want to change the value of outside s, means global s, inside a function, then we will have to use global keyword. In this program I used global s. When I print s here, the output will be I love world, because now both s same. S here is not local variable of function, because I used here global keyword. Now when we print it, the output will be I love world. The function calling output I love world and I love India, because when we run this program, then interpreter read first function header and go to the main program, and in main program here it will get s equal to I love world and function call. After function calling, execution will back to the function, and here it will get global s and print s initialize equal to I love world. So it will print first I love world. After that I changed value of s, I love India. Then I print it, the output I love India, and after the function s output I love India. So if you want to change the value of outside variable inside the function, then we'll have to use global keyword. Now you can see on Python screen. When you run this program, the output will be I love world, I love India, I love India. So we can easily say that if we use global keyword, then we can easily change the value of outside variable inside a function. Okay, now I will talk about non-local variable. In this program, a function inside a function. Okay, here we will see function 1 and function 2 inside a function 1, and function 1 I initialize x equal to 100, and here I call non-local x, means x inside a function 1. Okay, x equal to 200, print message before calling function 2. कॉलिंग फंक्शन 2 फंक्शन कॉल कर लिया, एंड नेक्स्ट आफ्टर कॉलिंग द फंक्शन टू x वैल्यू ऑफ x. नाउ when we run this program, the interpreter first read function header, and after that go to the main program, and here it will get x equal to 50 and function 1 calling the execution back to the function 1. Here it will get x equal to 100 and another function inside a function 2, here non-local keyword and x equal to 200. Non-local keyword x, when we talk about the definition of non-local, then non-local variable accessible in nesting of functions using non-local keyword. Yani it means if we use function inside a function, then we can use the variable of nesting function inside function. So here x equal to 100, and in this function local non-local x, it means this x, and here change the value x equal to 200. When we print this, call this function, the output will be before calling function 2 the value 100 x, after calling this function value will change 100 to 200. Now you can see here, after calling function 200, what the non-local x and x equal to 100 and x equal to 200 will not affect the value of outside global x. So outside the value of function x will be 50, and inside the first function x equal to 100, inside the second function the value will be changed 100 to 200. So first we print before calling the function 2 the value will 100, and after calling the function the next time x will be 200, and outside the function x will be 100. Now I will check it on the Python prompt. Here when I run it, the output will be before calling function 2 100, calling function 2 after 200, and x in main program 50. Okay, now I will make some change. If I write here global variable, then x, the value of outside x will change, okay, not inside x. Now I will run it. Now you can look here, the inside a function value 100 and outside the function value 200, because I declared x global variable. This x outside of x, not